This is Jack. In this short video, we'll discuss schedules in Server Manager. Schedules are configuration objects that are attached to templates or monitors that determine when a template or monitor is going to be executed. For example, you could specify that a template will be executed each day at 5 a.m. or you could specify that it be executed every 10 minutes. Server Manager will install with several pre-configured schedules, which you are welcome to use as they are, modify them, or delete them and build your own. There are two different types of schedules available, fixed and range. Fixed schedules define a specific time in which to execute, and that time will not change. Range schedules, however, allow you to distribute any of the configuration templates that are assigned a range schedule over time. Server Manager will intelligently determine for itself when the best time is to execute that template, but it will be at least as often as what you have defined. For example, if you use an hourly range schedule, Server Manager will determine when exactly to execute the template, but it will definitely be at least once an hour. Let's create a new schedule. For now, we will leave the name and the description fields blank. The first thing you want to do is determine whether this is going to be a fixed or a range schedule. Let's create a fixed schedule first that will run each Friday at 12:45 a.m. With fixed scheduling, we can set our frequency to seconds, minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. In this scenario, we will select weekly. Next, we will change the execute every option to Friday and set the time to 12:45 a.m. Alternatively, we could have selected daily and then ticked off only the Friday checkbox and set the time the same way. Remember how we left the name box blank? Now we will go back up there and click the generate button, and it will create a name for us, which you may edit if you like. Now we'll click OK, and we've created a schedule that we can now assign to template objects. Note that we did not put this schedule into a folder. The fixed and ranges folders are created automatically when Server Manager is installed, but you can move schedules into different folders and create your own folders if you choose. Next, we will create a sample range schedule. Just like before, we will skip the name and description boxes for now, and we will change the type to schedule range. In this scenario, we want this schedule, when assigned to a template object, to execute at least once per day, so we will select daily from the frequency dropdown. Now, as it is, it would be a simple daily schedule which would execute at a time determined automatically by Server Manager. However, we would like to set our exclusions so that it does not run on the weekends. Now that we have our range schedule configured the way we want it, we will click the Generate button to build a friendly name for it and save this schedule. And that's how schedules are created in Server Manager.